Hi Aries, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for January. How we'll go about with the video is we'll check what are the energies that we see for you and your person for the entire month of Jan. So the first row is your energy, the second row is for your person, but you may feel free to flip if you find that the energies are reversed. Now for me, the top row will always be for the sign that I'm doing the video for. So let's jump in and see what are the messages we have for you for this month. The first card that I see for you is Seven of Swords, King of Cups, and Three of Cups. Now person B here, they have the Wheel of Fortune, they have the Devil card, and the High Priestess. Now we'll also go ahead and see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, what is the blockage in this relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Now bottom of the deck I see here Queen of Swords, which means that there is an honest conversation which is required and both of you need to sit down and have a very honest one-on-one conversation. Now from the first set of cards I see you have Seven of Swords, which means that there's some kind of deception. Maybe there is something that you're doing which is not correct, which is not ethical. The second card for you is King of Cups, which means that with that energy you have emotions for this person but you don't express it. The third card for you is Three of Cups, which in some cases may be third party energy, or it could be that there's somebody who's trying to interfere in some form or the other in this relationship. Now for your person, your partner B, the first card is Wheel of Fortune, which means that they're waiting for the wheels of fortune, which could be time, destiny, or the way the things are right now. They want that to change and move positively. The second card is the Devil card. This is negative energy. There could be something which is negative. It could be anything. It could be a negative energy around them, or it could be something which is negative like sex, drugs, alcohol, but there could be something negative in this person's life right now. The third card here is the High Priestess, which is again a major arcana card. With that, this is the keeper of the secrets and this person is hiding a secret, and eventually they also know that you'll get to know about it. Okay, so that feeling that I may get caught is always there with this person. Now let's also go ahead and quickly see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have. So the mutual feeling that both of you have is the Judgment card. Now with the Judgment card, it means both of you will take a judgment call on this relationship, on what you want to go ahead and do on this particular relationship that you both are in. Now let's see what is the blockage here. The blockage is the King of Swords. With King of Swords being there, it means that both of you are a little hesitant. You're not coming forward and having that conversation. Both of you understand that you need to talk things through, you need to go ahead and discuss things, but both of you are not taking that step forward. Now let's also see the outcome here. The outcome is the Ace of Swords. Now Ace of Swords is a new beginning, but that beginning only happens after you have a very honest conversation. So both of you need to again sit down, talk to each other. If there's any facts, anything that one of you or either both of you are hiding, then discuss things, and that's when you can go ahead and think of a new beginning. Now let's quickly also go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you for this month. So the first card is the Chariot card, the Eight of Cups, and the Hierophant. Now with Chariot, that's Cancer energy. This person wants to march forward. The second card is Eight of Cups, which means that they will walk away from some situation. And the third card here is Hierophant, which is Taurus energy. This means marriage commitment. They may be looking for marriage or commitment. Now let's quickly go ahead and also see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see is, don't let pride get in your way. This means that don't let ego come in your way and hamper things between you and this person. Now let's quickly go ahead and also see what is the message we have from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Azurite. The crystal message is, do you want to improve and trust your intuition? Activate your third eye and exercise your sensory gifts. You receive messages from the divine all the time. It is now time to notice the signs, interpret them, and use the higher guidance to create ease in your life. Now, with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Raziel, which I'll put in the description box and you can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.